13-year-old CJ Holbrook was diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma just a few months ago. Like any life-threatening diagnosis, the news was devastating and overwhelming for him and his parents.
When we first learned about CJ's diagnosis of Hodgkin's lymphoma, my heart literally fell out of me. I didn't know what to say, didn't know what to think. It's just immediate fear, because really I had no clue what Hodgkin's lymphoma was.
Along with shock and sadness, a child's cancer diagnosis comes with a tremendous amount of information, responsibilities, and worry. But CJ and his parents found an innovative tool from the Childhood Leukemia Foundation called the Hope Binder, which helps parents get in control of their child's treatment and progress.
The Hope Binder is very helpful. There are a lot of brochures, books, resources that we can pass out to families. However, what makes the Hope Binder unique is that it's practical. It's for the parents. It's not another book they have to read, but the whole purpose is for them to have something tangible, something practical that they can hold in their hands and fill out.
The Hope Binder helps parents keep track of important information like the key dates of treatment, the various medicines the child is taking, medical histories, and other paperwork. It also comes with a free calling card to reach doctors and family members. And for the child, it comes with a copy of the groundbreaking video game Remission. This revolutionary game helps teens and young adults stick to their recovery regimens while learning about their disease.
I would definitely like to see every person that has to be told that their child or loved one has either cancer or some type of illness that's life-threatening to have one of these books, because it not only comes with the different categories, but it comes with a world of knowledge.
All important weapons to help CJ stay on the road to recovery. I'm Andrew Schmertz.
That's easy to do.